Hello guys, so I'm in Michael's and I see that they have started to put out their Christmas things. I guess my store is a little bit slow, but I'm going to take you down this aisle to show you the things that they have to offer. So I see that they have these little sticks here, and these are going for, let's see, these are going for $2. These are the cranberry sticks here. And they also have them in the, it's like a sugar-coated one here, but those are very cute. They have the antler horns here, and these are going for $4. They have the little truck sticks here, and they're going for $5. They have some smaller wreaths up here, and these are going for, let's see, I don't see a price on these. I'm pretty sure there is, and it's probably right in my face, but these are going for $14. Have those ones up there. They have the little teddy bear sticks here. They have the little sugared apples and pears, and the price of those are $3. They have some of those wreaths up there, and they have the wreaths right here, the DIY wreaths. They have the wreath hangers here. These are for $10. But they have a lot of sticks here. They have the little hat sticks here. They have these ones right here with the cotton on them with the jingle bells. And these are going for $4. But they have a lot of these down here, guys. Look at those. They have a lot of red. They have the garland wreaths here. These are going for $14 as well. But they have a lot of sticks that you can make DIY projects out. Make your own wreaths and things like that. It says make it easy 1, 2, 3, and this is how you make your own wreath. And you just basically stick the little objects inside of the wreaths, and you come up with your own wreath. But look at those right there. Those are very pretty, and those are like cotton. It's like a ice cream cone, and they're going for $6. They have the candies. They also have the bigger wreaths here. I don't know if I showed you these or not, but those are real pretty. And then as we work our way down, they have the candy wreaths. They have the unicorns. They have the gingerbread men. They have so many. They have the color ones as well. They have the gold and the silver ones. Look at these sticks right here. These are very pretty. And they have the white ones. But we're working our way down to the bling section. They have these little pretty birds right here. And these are going for $2. They have these right here, which I'm not sure what these are, but these are very pretty. And they are $4. But everything you need to create, to make your own wreath out of, guys, they have it here. Here are the little small gold wreaths. And they have the bigger ones as well, and they have the wreath hangers, which are going for $6. All of the gold bling right here. All right, so they don't have too much stuff out for Christmas. I see a lot of the boxes that they're about to start putting things out. So I wanted to bring you over here to the different flowers over here. These are the stick flowers, and look how pretty those are. But they range in different prices. I know I'll be back next week looking for more, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what you can do for yourself instead of purchasing at the store all the time. You can make your own wreath. Look at those, very pretty. And I'm going to work my way down this aisle here. Here's more decor, more DIY projects. Look at those pretty flowers right there with the little silver bling in them. Look at that right there with the corn, the pine cones. They have the beautiful flowers. Look at those snow ones right there, the fake snow. Those are very beautiful. And they coming down to the reds. They have the fake poinsettias here that you can make great wreaths with. And they have these, all of these, guys. They range in different prices. I'll be here for days looking at the prices of these because you really can't see anything. They also have this pretty pretty stick right here, and this is going for, this is actually $20. Wow, but those are very nice. Alright, so as you can tell on the boxes they haven't really put things out yet. But these are the small little accent trees that they have here. This one right here is $10. They have the little smaller ones up here. They have these right here. They have these little pretty ones right here. So this is going to be a mini vlog, guys. I just wanted to bring you here in Michael's to show you what they have. They've started to put out things, and I know it's going to be exciting once they put everything out, because they have some exciting things for the fall and for the Halloween day. These guys up here, they range in different prices. $9.99. I see the one right here with the dress on, and then they have the ones in the pink. All of these are $9.99, and they have these guys right here, and they have the little mice here for $9.99. And they have some of the ornaments here, the little bells in different colors. And these are going for $2.99. And they have a lot of things here, guys. They have the things that you can make. You can put inside wreaths, of course. You can make your own little town with these. But they range in different prices. As we work our way down, I see that they have this garland here. They have it in gold, they have it in silver, and they have the 12-piece ornaments here. And they have them in different colors. They have the blue ones. Look how pretty those are. More garland, look at this. And they also have this one right here. The pink ornaments here, different ones, more garland. They range in different prices. More little small ornaments here at the bottom, and they have the garland here with the ornaments inside. And they also have the little angels here. Look how pretty those are. And they are going for $9.99. Look at those. Look how pretty they are. She's very pretty. And these can actually go for the mini trees, tree toppers. Those would be really nice. And they have the little mini presents here as well. Alright guys, so these would be great DIY projects for the kids. They can actually paint these, and these are $15. These are the snowmen, they have the Santa, they have the little campers. But you can paint these, and these actually light up. dog here. Let's see how much he is. He is going for 15. All of these are going for 15. They have the tree here. They have the little kitties, Santa, and they have the little houses down here at the bottom. And as I said, you can get your own paint and paint these, and they actually light up. So that would be a good DIY project. Or on Christmas Eve, you'll have something to do with your kids. Besides make cookies, you can also paint as well. More DIY projects for the kids. These are going for $15 as well. Look how big they are. These are the wooden characters here. Then you can paint these. They have the little houses here where you can actually open the doors up. They light up. Paint these. You open the doors up and you let your kids open them up daily. And you put little notes or little gifts on the inside, little pieces of candy. But look how pretty those are. And they all can be painted. And they light up. But look at that one right there. The adults can have fun too as well, because I know I will. But those are very beautiful. Here are some more arts, crafts, and activities for the kids for Christmas. They say if you spend 40 or more, you get $10 off. So some of these are like $7.99. They have these right here. They have the ones right here where you can make the gingerbread men and women. They have those. And they also have the sparkling embellishment kits already. I think it has glue on the inside, but it comes with pretty much everything. And they have these down here for $7.99 where you can make your own Santa or reindeer. But they have a lot of things, guys. As I scroll around, they have some more. You can make an ornament kit here. Look at those. Those are $2.99. And you can make the bigger ones as well. To the back here, and I see that they have their little Christmas scene out, but this is like a little small town getting ready for the holidays. But look at the little stop shop there. They have the little adoption center decorated. They have the skate rental. They haven't pretty much put everything up yet, but they have Santa here in his balloon. They have that there. They have the deers drinking and eating. They have the little tea house here. They have the little market here. Look at that with the little ice machine on the outside. They have the kids on the carousel. They have the candy shop here. But those are very cute. Look at the global bean where you can get coffee. And they also have the doll boutique house there. And they have the skating rink where the kids and the family are skating. But they have all of these right here. They come in different ones. You can make your own town. And these are all the ones right here. Now these are very expensive in price, but it would be nice to see and take a look at these. Look at this one right here. This is $65, which I'm pretty sure some of these things will be marked down soon. They have the little clear ornaments here, DIY ornaments. They're round, where you can make and color yourself. They have all the DIY ornaments out here where you can actually color. So I just wanted to bring you in here instead of, going to the stores all the time. You can make your own ornaments and things of that nature. But guys, I do want to thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Look at that right there, guys. That's the Nutcracker Nut Shop. $55. There's that adoption center. And they have this one right here. But if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. If you're returning, go ahead and share with your friends and family. And as always, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. And I hope to see you guys again real soon. Bye, guys.